All right, this video is going to be about the CHAR function in Google Sheets. So it's C-H-A-R. And it inserts a Unicode character into your spreadsheet. Before we get started, I'm Adam Steinforth. This is sheetshelp.com, where you can learn everything you need to know about Google Sheets. We will type CHAR. And it only needs one argument, and it's calling that table number. But really what this is the decimal code that represents the Unicode character. Right, so you may be wondering how you know that decimal code. But for the first one, we're just going to say for whatever reason, you already know the code and you're just looking to have it represented. So let's say you wanted to do a smiley emoji and you knew it was 128512. You don't need quotes around this because it's a number. Hit enter and it just inserts a smiley into your spreadsheet. All right, pretty simple. In this next one, we're going to say that we want to insert an arrow symbol, but we're not sure what the Unicode is. So if we go over, let's just say we did a Google search, we ended up here, just typed in Unicode arrows. There's several different web pages, but they almost always give you this code, which is the hexadecimal code, and it's not what works. So let's copy this, 21AD. You'll probably find yourself in this situation and not be sure what to do. So if you put in 21AD, this doesn't work because that's a hexadecimal code. So to get the char function to work, you actually have to embed a conversion. So this would be hex to dec. You have to convert the hex code to decimal. Have that embedded. Let's put quotes around it because it has a letter in it. And that converted that hexadecimal code into an arrow. That's a weird looking arrow though. Let's go get another one. Left, right, wave arrow. We want this one instead. Downwards paired arrows. All right, so that's how to insert Unicode characters if you have the decimal code. This is how to insert a Unicode character if you needed to look up the code and got the hex code instead. And now we're going to show another easy way to do it before we go on to our last example. You can use an add-on. So in this case, I'm using one that we developed called Insert Special Characters. And when you open this sidebar, you can do everything inside Sheets. So these are already arrows. Let's say we wanted to search for triangles. If you click here, it will insert the Unicode character for you. All right, since this is a function, it gives you more flexibility. All right, so let's say you wanted to write out a string of characters with an emoji on the end. So we will first show you how you would just append two strings together. So it would say, okay, that's your first string. And then you can just use the ampersand. Well, let me put a little space in here. Okay, use the ampersand. And this is where we will put the char function. So now we will leave that blank. We're going to grab this guy here, copy that, come down, and this combines like any other function into a nice formula. And we'll take the quotes away because we're no longer doing a string, we're doing a function. And look at that. All right, so that was pretty easy. All right, so if you want to go backwards, so you have a symbol and you want to pull out the decimal code, this next function called code will do just that. I'll see you in that video. Thanks for watching.